Believers Radio. Huh. Huh. Believers Radio.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop a heat every 4 times of the week. Now, I hope that you're actually good and healthy from wherever you're watching this from. So, guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you guys through this Boom BAP Drum Kit 1994. Just giving homage to that 1994 vibe. You remember how it was. So, trying to take it back. Just at the same time bring it back to the future. So I got some nice drums to actually go with that. I got some kicks, I got some midis, I got some percussion, some snares, some hi-hats and all that, all that good stuff to get you started in making crazy boom bap beats. So before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you something. Alright, without no further ado, let's get started. I would like to mention something I always miss every time. I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you need any of that, just hit me up on my, on my email or on my number. That's all up on the screen. It's been there for quite some time. Just hit me up and we'll get down to business. Or maybe if you just want to talk about music, in general, we can just reminisce and, talk, chat, exchange ideas, help each other, bro. All right. Now that we're done with that, I'm gonna get down to the midis. Then I'm gonna show you the drums. So I'm gonna start off with the first MIDI, which is 87 BPM. Actually, all the midis are 87 BPM. Let me just tell you that, just give you, a go start ahead, so you don't have to kind of move around with that. So let me just change this one here, 87 BPM. All right, I'm gonna play you the first MIDI. Alright, third MIDI. Fourth MIDI. Alright, nice midis to get you started, in making, nice melodies, so you can just, you can just do the rest easy. So I would like to mention that I came up with an idea that every beat that I actually make using these drum kits, I'll be releasing those beats at the end of every week, just giving them out for free. So be on the lookout for that. So the beat that I actually made using this boom bap drum kit, it's gonna be in that list. And the one for Travis, the one that just came before this, I think it was yesterday or the day before yesterday. So I'm just letting you know, man. Just be on the lookout, bro. Be on the lookout. Crazy, amazing stuff is coming. So let's get down to the drums, man. So let's start off with the kicks. start. All right, percussion. Snares. All right, that's it, man. That's it. That's it. It's crazy, bro. Just make sure that you actually get it. Link in the description down below. Or maybe if you're having problems, getting the drum kit, just
Believers Radio.
maybe just leave me your whatever, sorry, your email on the comments down below. And don't just leave it as an email. Sometimes if you just leave your email there, YouTube might actually, assume it's a spam, and I might not even actually get to see your email. So what you're gonna do is, if you put your email there, just make sure that you write something, just to just notify me, just let me know, say something. All right, that's it. So I'm gonna let you go ahead and just have fun with this, enjoy and make crazy, banging beats with it. I can't wait to hear what you guys are gonna make with this. So without no further ado, it's goodbye, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace out. Namaste.